Hi EDU 5111 students, Dr. Branch here. Just wanted to show you around week 2. You'll want to start here with the week 2 sequence of study and assignments, and that will go over, gives you a little overview of what we're doing this week. The next thing that you'll want to do is go to week 2 resource documents. This is really important because it has the things that you need to do in order to complete your assignments. So we have an APA sample paper from Owl Purdue. Then you will read an article, Beware of That Voice in Your Head. We have week 2 grammar refreshers. The next thing that we have is the narrative paper assignment in Rubric. So we are writing our first paper of the course. Last week we did some prep work for it. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek of that. So it is worth 10% of the course grade. I won't sit here and read it to you. You can do that. So just a couple of highlights that you will do it. The paper will be 350 words. Actually, that's not a lot, and some students have trouble narrowing things down to get to that 350 word count. You do not need a abstract for this paper, so don't worry about that. You'll just do the title page, and obviously you won't have a reference page because we're not doing any research on that. So take a look at that and go over that. And then I do want to point this writing rubric out because we'll be using this throughout the course. So I have that pulled up. Here we go. Okay, so we have 3 papers in this class, the narrative paper, and then you'll write, you'll be doing like a research paper, and then we have the reflection paper at the end when you guys do your observation from the teaching channel. So I want you to go over this again. I won't sit here and read it to you, but scroll down and kind of look at all of these. We do not use this for this paper or the next paper, but I do use this for the last paper. So what you might want to do is, after you're done writing your narrative this week, grade yourself and see how well you did on this. So see if I can scroll down so you can kind of go through and see if you have all of these things. So you might want to do that. And then let's go back here. Okay, so we did the resource documents. We continue with walls and pain this week. So you have a couple of discussion. You have a discussion post for that. You'll respond to two classmates. You have your grammar refresher that you will do. Remember, you do not need to respond to your classmates' post unless you want to. I mean, you might want to take a peek at what other people are doing, but if you don't feel like responding, you don't have to. It's not part of the criteria. If you want to, that's fine too. You have a couple quizzes this week. And then this is where you will submit your narrative writing. So we have that. And then we also have you read that article by Rhodes, and so you have a discussion post for that. So I think that is it for this week. We do have an optional Zoom meeting Thursday at 6 o'clock. You can pop in just to say hi. Or connect with your classmates or me, or bring any questions you have. In the meantime, you can always text, call, email me. I can also set up an earlier Zoom meeting, a private one for you if you want. So lots of different ways to get a hold of me. So hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you soon.